Here's how to import data from an Excel spreadsheet to a Podio app. This will create items in the Podio app based on the rows in your spreadsheet. For this example, I'd like to import my list of clients and leads to a CRM workspace that I've just set up. I start by going to the relevant app, which here is called Leads. Then I click the small wrench icon in the top right corner of the app, followed by Excel Import. I can now either click the Choose Excel File button to pick the spreadsheet to import, or simply drag it in from my desktop. Now I'll match the columns from the spreadsheet to the fields in the app. I do this by dragging the column titles of the spreadsheet, shown on the left here, into the corresponding fields of the app. For example, in the spreadsheet I have columns with contact information of our clients, so I'll match those to the contact field in the app. Once this is done, I can click the Preview button and get a look at how the spreadsheet's data will appear inside of Podio. Once I'm satisfied with the setup, I click Next. If you have columns in the Excel sheet in which the data is unique in every row, then click the little key icon. By doing this, if you import from Excel again, the app items in Podio will simply be updated rather than creating new items. Now I'm ready to import, so I'll click the green Import button at the bottom of the page. As you're uploading data, it may take a few seconds to import it all. Each time you click refresh or come back to the app, more of the items will be created. And here they are, from fields in a spreadsheet to app items in Podio. If you have any questions, feel free to write to us in the Help Centre at help.podio.com. We'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching.